My dear students, welcome to today's online class. In the previous class, we discussed searching, right? We discussed two types of searching, that is binary search as well as linear search, right? So today we are going to discuss regarding sorting. Sorting. It is also one of the operations we can perform on one dimensional array. So let us see in this class in detail regarding this sorting. What is a sorting? Sorting is the process of arranging elements in an order, that may be ascending order or descending order, right? So what is the sorting? Sorting is the process of arranging elements in an order is considered as sorting, right? So here what we are going to discuss right now means, in the array we are entering some 5 or 6 or 7 elements, and afterwards we have to sort them in an order. It may be ascending order or descending order, right? So let us see what is mean by sorting. Once again, sorting is the arrangement of elements of the array in some order, right? So I said already, sorting is nothing but arranging the array elements in an order. It may be ascending order or descending order is referred as sorting. The order may be ascending order or a descending order. There are different types of sortings. There are different methods of sortings available. For example, see here, types of sorting. Types of sorting. First one, that is bubble sort. Bubble sort. Second one is selection sort. Selection sort. And third one is shell sort. Fourth one is quick sort. Quick sort. And the fifth one is insertion sort. Insertion sort means, in the study of sorting, that is the process of arranging array elements in an order is referred as sorting. The arrangement may be in ascending order or descending order. So in the study of sorting, we have different types of sorting, say bubble sort, selection sort, shell sort, quick sort, and fifth one is insertion sort. Among these, it is very important to discuss about this insertion sort. Insertion sort, because this insertion sort process is there for your second year syllabus, right? So don't worry about the bubble sort, selection sort, shell sort. So this thing you are going to discuss in the higher semesters. For your second year syllabus, we have only insertion sort, means how to arrange array elements using insertion sort method, right? So today we are going to, right now we are going to discuss one type of sorting, that is insertion sort, right? Insertion sort. Insertion sort. Now let us see what is the insertion sort. From this we know that it is also type of sorting method, right? So let us see what is the mean by insertion sort. See here, in the insertion sort method, initially an array is a collection of unsorted elements. The first element, that is a of which is stored in a of 0, is considered as comes under unsorted part. Next step, consider the second element. Second element means which is stored in a of 1, right, which comes under unsorted part. Now compare the second element with the first element. That is, second element with the first element means which is stored in a of 1 is the second element, which is stored in a of 0 is the first element. Now we have to compare second element with the first element. That is, a of 1 is less than a of 0, second element is less than first element. Then yes means insert in a of 0, that is in first position, second element, and insert in a of 1, that is in second position, we have to insert first element. That is, in a of 1 we have to insert first element. That is, it means second element is less than first element, second element is less than first element means we have to interchange both the things. Then second elements also comes under sorted part. If else means we have to go for next step. It is very important. See here, for example, consider an array A, right, 15, 10, 20. What he says, insertion sort means it is a type of sorting method. In the insertion sort, first we have to consider an array with elements which are in unsorted form, because we have to insertion sort means it is a one of the sorting method. Using this we are going to get a sorted array, right? That's why we have to consider a unsorted array, means elements must be not in a order. So 15, 10, 20 like this we have to consider. So let us consider an array with 3 elements. So this is array A, means its first subscript is a of 0, second one is a of 1, third one is a of 2. What insertion sort method says? It says first consider an array with unsorted in such a way that elements must not be in an order, means we have to consider unsorted array. And he says that let us consider first element comes under sorted path and remaining are comes under unsorted part. And he says that first, consider array second element and compare with the first element. That is, second element means a of 1. Consider second element and first element. Second element means a of 1, first element means a of 0. What is the first step in the insertion sort? He says that consider second element and first element, compare them. That is, second element means 10, first element means 15. So in which way we have to compare means whether second element is less than first element. That is, second element means a of 1. A of 1 is less than a of 0. We have to check second element is less than first element. See here, second element means 10. 10 is less than first element, 15. Yes. So in this way we have to interchange, means in the first element, that is in first element means a of 0, second element is placed. Second element means 10 is placed in the second position, that is in a of 1, first element is placed, that is First element means 15 is placed. Now initially only one position is sorted. Now two positions are sorted. So now take array elements A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, right? So A of 0 contains 10, A of 1 contains 15. Now remaining is 20 as it is. Now we get sorted array. Now we get sorted array. Suppose array size is more like this, and like this. Array size is more. Then what we have to do? We have to follow second step, right? This is simple. What we have to do? First we have to consider first two positions, and we have to compare second element with the first element. Whether second element is less than first element means we have to interchange. We have to interchange. See here, second element is less than first element. Yes is there. Therefore we interchange the first element and second element. Then we get a sorted array. Right? Now take next position. Next position, that is third element. Third element position. That is, now we have to compare A of 2 with A of 1. A of 2 means 20. A of 1 means 10. 20 is less than 10? No. No means we have to stop there. 20 is less than 10? No. No means we get sorted array. We get a sorted array. Now let us consider one more position, that is A of 3, which contains say 18. Which contains say 18. Then see what happens. So when the array size is increases, steps are going to be increased. Previously only 3 elements are there. In the single step only we get sorted array. Now I consider one more element. See how the process is going on. So what he says, after sorting, after interchanging first and second elements, array is like this sorted means we stop there only. Suppose one more element is there, then what we have to do means, he says, consider the third element, that is A of 2 of unsorted part. See, now this is now initially only this is sorted. After interchanging, this is what? Sorted part. This is what? Sorted part. Only this part is unsorted. Unsorted part, right? Now we have to sort that thing also. So suppose 4 elements are there means, in the second step what we have to do? We have to consider third element. That is, we have to consider this third element. We have to consider the third element, that is A of 2 of unsorted part, and now compare A of 2 with A of 1. A of 2 with A of 1. A of 2 with A of 1 means what we have to do? A of 2 is less than A of 1. A of 2 is less than A of 1. A of 2 means 20. 20 is less than A of 1. 10. 20 is less than 10. No. Right? No. No means? No means? Yes means we have to interchange. No means go for next step. Go for next step. Go for next step. Next step means we have to consider a next position. That is, we have to consider A of 3. Right? So step 2. We have to consider A of 3. See here, A of 3, next position is A of 3 is less than A of 2. A of 3 is less than A of 2. What is there in A of 3? 18 is there. 18 is less than A of 2. A of 2 contains 20. Right? A of 3 is less than A of 2. What is there in A of 3? 18 is there. 18 is less than 20. Yes. Yes means interchange. Yes means interchange the elements. That is, in A of 2, 18 comes. In A of 3, 20 comes. Right? So, what happens? So, 15, what is there? 10, 15, 18, 20. 10, 15, 18, 20. Right? 10, 15, 18, 20. So, this is what? 0, 1, 2, 3. Like this, we have to sort elements. Like this, we have to sort elements. See here. Here, 15 and 10 before 18, all the elements are in a sorted order, right? So therefore, now I am going to consider another array so that this sorting process may change to A of 2 to A of 1 or A of 0. For example, I am going to consider another situation so that you can clearly understand. For example, let us consider an array. Let us consider an array. Let us consider an unsorted array. Let us consider an unsorted array A, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements, that is 55, 43, 26, 37 and 11. And he says that let us consider first position A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4, and let us consider first position in sorted part, and remaining positions are in unsorted part, right? Unsorted part. Now, step 1. In step 1, let us consider first comparison. First comparison, that is what we have to do? We have to compare first and second elements. That is second element means if A of 1 is less than A of 0, A of 1 is less than A of 0, that is A of 1 means 43. 43 is less than A of 0 means 55. That is 43 is less than 55. 43 is less than 55. Yes, right? Yes. Yes means what we have to do? We have to interchange the elements. That is, then we get what? Yes means what we have to do? We have to place second element in first position and first element in second position. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the positions. So what is the second element? 43. We have to place 43 in first position. And what is the first element? 55. That should be shifted to second position. Remaining as it is. 26, 37, 11. Right? Two elements are sorted. right? Now 2 elements are sorted, right? So this is what sorted part. 2 elements are sorted, right? So this 3 location represent what? Unsorted part. Unsorted part, right? Unsorted part. Now go for step 2. If this is else means, for example, say consider second element 55. 55 is less than 43. No. If condition fails means we have to go for next step. If it is true means we have to interchange. Now suppose condition false means we have to go for step 2. In step 2 consider first comparison. First comparison. First comparison. That is, first comparison means we have to consider first and second element is over. In the second step we have to consider third element, means which is stored in A of 2, right? So third element means at present we have to consider current array only. Don't consider this initial one. So at present array means this is the present array. So consider third element means which is stored in A of 2, right? A of 2 is less than A of 1. A of 2 is less than A of 1. What is there in A of 2? 26. 26 is less than A of 1 means 55. 26 is less than 55. 26 is less than 55. What happens here? A of 2 is less than A of 1. That is, A of 2 means 26 is less than 55. Yes, right? Yes. Yes means we have to interchange both the element, right? So therefore it becomes what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 43. So interchange these two things, 26, 55, remaining as it is, 37, 11, right? 37, 11. Now in step 2 first comparison is over. Now consider second comparison. Second comparison. That is, second comparison means third element is compared with first element. Third element is compared with second element. Now what we have to do? We have to compare second element with first element. That is, second element means A of 1 is less than A of 0. A of 1 is less than A of 0. A of 1 means 26. 26 is less than 43. Yes, 26 is less than 43. Therefore interchange then. Then we get, then 26 comes here, 43 comes here. 43 as it is, 55, 37, 11. Right? Now in the third comparison, okay, third comparison is not there because second element is compared with the first element, then it is sorted, right? Now go to step 3. In step 3 we have to consider fourth element. In step 3 what we have to do? We have to consider fourth element. That is, so see here, in the first we compared first and second. In the second step we compared third and first, right? In the third step we have to compare fourth element and third element. Fourth element means this 37, right? So in step 3 what we have to do? Compare first, in step 3 first comparison. What is the first comparison? Take next location. So here this is the sorted part, right? Sorted part up to here. So these two are unsorted part. Now consider first unsorted part location, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. First unsorted means a of 3, right? So if a of 3 is less than a of 2, that is a of 3 is less than a of 2, that is 37 is less than 55. Yes, 37 is less than 55. Yes, yes means interchange them, then it becomes, what happens, 26, 43. So interchange them, then 37 comes here, 55 goes to third position. Next 11, right? See here, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? (26), 43, 37, 55, right? Next comparison 2 अथवा second comparison. Second comparison means fourth element, third element is over. Now consider third element and second element. Third element and second element. Second comparison means third element and second element. That is a of 2 is less than a of 1. A of 2, that is 37. 37 is less than 43. 37 is less than 43. Yes. Yes. Yes means interchange then. Interchange means we get 26, 37, 43, 55, 11, 55, 11, right? So in the next step, what we have to do? 26, 37, 43, 55, 11. Now a of 2 is compared with a of 1. Now compare a of 1 with a of 2, right? Compare a of 1 with a of 2. A of 1 with a of 0, right? Third comparison. Third comparison. Third comparison. A of 1 is less than a of 0. A of 1 means 37, right? 37 is less than 26. 37 is less than 26. No, right? No. No. No means go to next step. Next step means step 4. So whenever no comes, we have to go for next step. Next step means, see here, in the fourth element and previous step, fourth element and third element comparison is over. Now we have to take fifth element with fourth element. Fifth element means in the step 4, first comparison. First comparison. What is that first comparison? Fourth element means Next unsorted part. Next unsorted part, first element means 11, right? So 11 is there in A of 4, right? A of 4 is less than A of 3. See here, A of 4 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. A of 4 contains 11 is less than A of 3 means 55. Yes, right? A of 4 means 11 is less than A of 3. A of 3 means 55. Yes, yes means interchange. 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 Then we get what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? That is 26, 37, 43. Now interchange 11 and 55. Here 11 comes, here 55 comes. Right? Next to go for second comparison. Second comparison of fourth step. Second comparison of fourth step. That is A of 3 is less than, A of 3 is less than A of 2. A of 3 is less than A of 2 means here this is what? Next step means A of 3 is less than A of 2. A of 3 means 11. 11 is less than A of 2. A of 2 means 43. Yes. Yes means we have to interchange them. Interchange them. That is 26, 37, right? Interchange them. 11, 43, 11. That is A is the array means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? A of 3 is less than A of 2. A of 3 means 11. 11 is less than 43. Yes, yes is there means we have to interchange 11 and 53. Right? Next take previous in the comparison 3, that is third comparison. Third comparison, take previous positions, that is A of 3 and A of 2 is over. Now take A of 2 and A of 1, that is A of 2 is less than A of 1. A of 2 is less than A of 2 is less than A of 1. A of 2 means 11. 11 is less than 37. 11 is less than 37. Yes. Yes means what we have to do? We have to interchange the elements. Otherwise, we have to go for next step, right? So, yes means we have to interchange the. So, interchange means it becomes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So, 26, 11, 37, 43. So, this is what 55, right? 55. 43, 55, right? This is array A, right? A of 2 is less than A of 1 is over. Now consider A of 1 and A of 0, that is fourth comparison. Fourth comparison, that is A of 1 is less than A of 0. A of 1 is less than A of 0, that is A of 1 means 11. 11 is less than A of 0 means 26. Yes. Yes means we have to interchange. Then we get an array like this. That is interchange means 11 comes here, 26 comes here. 37, 43, 55. See here, now you have E of 1 is less than E of 0, that is 11 is less than 26. Yes means we have to change E of 1 with E of 0, that is 11 comes in the E of 0 position, 26 comes in E of 1 position. E of 1 position. Now see all the elements: 11, 26, 37, 43, 55. So this process sorts elements of an array in an order. So this type of sorting method is called what? Insertion sort method. This type of sorting method is called what? Insertion sorting method. Thank you, students.